If you thought AI tools were already powerful, this is where things start to get seriously interesting. Right now, most AI tools can generate text, maybe images, maybe even video, but they still feel separate. You write a prompt in one place, switch tools, and piece everything together yourself. But what if one AI could handle the entire creative process from start to finish? That's exactly what Higgsfield is doing. It's one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms right now, with a clear goal to build the most creator-friendly system in the world. And now, with the introduction of Higgsfield MCP, Claude can go beyond just thinking and actually start creating. We're talking about generating, editing, and delivering full creative projects like videos, images, ads, and even landing pages, all from a single prompt. Claude gives you the brain, and Higgsfield MCP gives it the hands. Let's take a look at how it works. This is the main interface of Higgsfield AI, and as you can see, it offers a wide range of AI tools you can use, especially for video creation. You also get access to plenty of ready-made templates, so if you don't want to start from scratch, you can easily pick one and build from there. To connect Higgsfield MCP to Claude, just click on MCP at the top panel. On this page, all you need to do is choose the AI tool you want to use, whether it's Claude, OpenClaw, Hermes, or NemoClaw. For this demo, I'll be using Claude AI. Now click on this link called Settings to go directly to Claude. Once you're here, click on your profile icon, go to Settings, then click on Connectors and select Add Custom Connector. In the name section, I'll name mine Higgsfield. Then for the remote server, go back to Higgsfield, copy the URL, return to Claude, and paste it there. There's also an advanced settings option, but I don't need it, so I'll leave it blank and click Add. Now you can see it is listed here. Just click on Connect, then on the next page click Allow, and that's it. Everything is set up successfully. Now I'll open a new chat to start using Higgsfield inside Claude. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to build this step by step so you can clearly see what's happening at each stage. First, I'm going to ask Claude to generate a single cinematic image using GPT Image 2. Just one image. Watch how I prompt it. I'll type something like, use GPT Image 2 to generate a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night. Make it dramatic, high contrast, and ultra detailed. If this is your first time, you'll need to allow access. And as you can see, the image has started generating inside Claude. You can also go to Higgsfield, check under the image section, and see it generating live. Look at that. The image was generated directly inside Claude, not in a separate tool or another tab, right here in the chat. And you can click here to animate it, edit it, or even download it. This alone should already get your attention, but we're just getting started. Now, here's where it gets interesting. That image is static right now, but what if it wasn't? I'm going to give Claude another prompt to animate that exact image into a video using Seedance 2. Let me type, now take that image and animate it into a 5-second cinematic video clip using Seedance 2. Slow camera push, atmospheric feel. Anytime you see a prompt like this, just click Allow to proceed, then give it a few seconds to generate the result. Watch this. Claude is now passing that image directly into Seedance 2 through the same MCP connection. It knows exactly which image I'm referring to and what I want. I didn't have to download anything, upload anything, or repeat instructions. Now let's check the result. That still image just became a video clip inside Claude from a single follow-up prompt. This is what I mean when I say Claude finally has hands. Okay, so that was one image and one clip. Now let's scale it, because this is where it really becomes useful for your workflow as a creator. I'm going to give Claude one final prompt and let it run the full pipeline. Multiple images turned into clips, then assembled into a complete short video, all in one go. I'll now paste my all-in-one prompt, asking Claude to use Nano Banana 2 to generate 8 cinematic scenes with a consistent character, then convert all the images into videos, and finally combine them into a single video. Look at what's happening here. Claude is now using Higgsfield MCP to coordinate multiple tools and process the entire workflow automatically. As you can see, it's using Nano Banana 2 to generate all the images. Then it will use Clean 3 to animate them. And now you can see that all the images are being generated at the same time instead of me creating them one by one. So just give it a moment to finish. Now here we have it. All the images have been generated at once through Higgsfield MCP. Because the generation took some time, you may need to prompt Claude to continue to the next step. So I'll type something simple like, images are ready, start with the videos. Then send it and let it continue. I originally asked it to use Clean 3, but Claude decided that Seedance 2 would be better for this type of scene since it handles motion and action really well, so I'll go ahead and allow that. As you can see, it has now started generating all the videos, so let's give it a moment. Finally, all the videos have been generated successfully. Even though some might appear as failed inside Claude, when you go back to Higgsfield, you can see that everything actually completed successfully. Now let me play a few so you can see. This is the first scene where he's running. Then later moving through the tunnel during the explosion. And here you can see the rooftop sequence, where he sprints and then makes the jump. The sequence continues smoothly across all the scenes, building up into a full cinematic flow. And this is the final scene, where everything comes together to complete the story. Now that everything is ready, I'll tell Claude, the videos are ready, combine them into a single video. As you can see, Claude is now pulling all the generated clips together and combining them into one final video. If it doesn't work for any reason, you can simply upload the clips manually here and it will combine them for you. Now, think about what this actually unlocks. If you run a Faceless channel, this becomes your entire production pipeline in one place. No need for separate tools. Claude handles everything from generation to final output. If you're a freelancer, you can deliver high quality video content faster and at a much lower cost. The client gives you a brief and you turn it into a finished product in minutes. And if you run a business, this makes creating ads much easier. You describe your product and Claude handles the visuals, animation, and final video. The brain was always there. Now it has hands. The link to get started is in the description. Setup takes just a few seconds, and you can start creating right away. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.